Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. Today we're going to be talking about the weld feature in Cricut Design Space. This is part of the beginner series that I have on my channel, Krista So Crafty. I will have it listed below if you would like to check out the other videos that I have made. So the weld feature is a great little tool. It allows you to connect things together so that they will cut out in a certain order. So I was going to do a text, but I think we'll do an image. We'll do a couple images. Actually, let's just do this one. I love you. I think it's pretty cute. Very punny. So here we have our thing all set out, ready to go. So now, if you look over onto the right-hand side into the panel over here, you'll see that there are 5 different colors that is going to be cut out when this goes to be cut out. And that's great. So, for example, the I's and the I and the U, oh, first we need to ungroup it, sorry. So there we go. Ungroup that. You'll notice that the colors, the like colors, are all grouped together. We want that. If they weren't, so these are welded. If they weren't welded together, they would all cut out independently. So what does that mean? I'm going to get rid of all of this and let's play with some text. So hello, and we will change it to a script font. Let's find it, a script font. There we go. As you see, the word hello is all joined together. And if I click on make it, it's going to cut out as the word hello. But if I were to go in here and I were to ungroup this, mix it back into individual letters, and do my editing and whatever, let's say I needed to move this over closer or further away, I can't just select these and choose group. Sorry, I can't just choose group and expect them to be together. As you see, Cricut will, I don't know what it does. I don't know what the logic is there, but it does not keep it in the word form. So to get that into the word form, what we need to do is select all of the words, all of the letters, I apologize, and click on the word weld. When you do that, now it's all together. Now when I click on make it, it's all together as one, and that's exactly how it will cut out. So to add on to that, let's say I was wanting to make something to cut out. So I'm going to change this to red, and then I'm going to bring in an image of a kitty. Just quickly throwing something together here. So let's do this kitty here, add to canvas. Okay, so now if I wanted this and the cat to cut out of the same color, what I would need to do is change the colors and make it happen. So the first thing, I'm going to click on the cat and I'm going to ungroup this. So now I can edit the individual items on the cat separate. So I'm going to click on the cat, I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to choose the red. Now the cat and the word hello are the same color, and his bow tie is going to be orange. And that's great, except if I click on make it, see how the word hello is over here and the cat is here? I want them to cut out so that they are going to be looking like this when I cut them out. So what I need to do is choose hello and the cat and choose weld. That now, don't worry about the little cat collar or bow, it's still there. But these are now together as one. Okay, so now when I click make it, they are going to cut exactly how I have them on the screen, so that when I go to place it, all I have to do when this cuts out is to take that little bow and place it on the cat, and it's ready to go. So the weld features is a very useful tool because it allows you to keep these items all together, the like items together. So you'll notice over on the right, I've only got two different sections now because I have one that says the hello and then the cat, and then one with the bow. Whereas before we had three. The word hello was separate, the cat was separate, and the bow was separate. But because we use the weld feature, and you see it says weld result, it tells you exactly that these two have now been welded together and they will cut out in that specific layout, which is what you want. It just makes putting your vinyl, especially when you're layering, it makes it so much easier. So that is the weld function.
Thank you once again for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or just have a comment, please leave them in the description box below. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel grow.